Hey guys, Afri here from SaberMach. So very quickly, to give you guys a quick tutorial video on the Nano Biscotte V4 configuration for our premium sabers. For this particular saber, it is installed with the In-hilt LEDs. So that's the red, green and royal blue LEDs inside. For all our premium sabers, they come with two switches. But as for the Nano Biscotte V4, you only need to use one of the switches to operate it. And for this particular saber, the Photon G4, with the control box pointing forward, the switch that is used to operate this saber is the one on the left. So without further ado, to activate the saber, tap once. To wake the saber up, and tap again to ignite the saber. Now to turn it off, press and hold. And to go into mute mode, press, hold and release after the first beep. And that's mute mode. So to turn off, press and hold. Now for the Nano Biscotte V4, it comes with 3 pre-configured sound fonts. And to switch around the sound bank, you press and hold the main activation switch until the second beep. And you let go. So then it cycles through 3 sound fonts. Now for the Nano Biscotte V4 premium sabers, they also come with the rail chassis system, which enables you to charge the saber with 2 different kinds of charging methods. So allow me to introduce to you guys the rail chassis. So we remove the pommel. And we slide it out. So as you can see, there is a groove in the chassis that allows the saber to be slide out smoothly, and that will reveal to you the soundboard, the in-hilt recharge port, as well as the sled for the removable battery. So you can remove the battery. Now take note that once you've charged your saber using the included battery charger, always ensure that your battery is pointing downwards, so positive downwards and negative upwards towards the emitter. And that is the correct way to insert your battery. Take note to not reverse the polarity of the battery, otherwise it will then may potentially destroy your saber. So then it also comes with the charging cable that you can use to charge through the recharge port. Now, as with all Nano Biscotte V4 sabers, it comes with very basic FX features. So let's turn the saber on. Now it comes with your basic swing sounds, and of course your flash and clash. And of course, the Nano Biscotte V4 installed with the RGB LEDs can be pre-configured to have different colors. And of course, with 3 sound banks, it will only be able to accommodate to 3 different colors. So for this particular saber, the second and third color will be purple. And that's it, the Photon G4 installed with the Nano Biscotte V4.